October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, and many communities across our area are getting involved by holding events, including the Run for the Hills. This is a race that's put on by Here for the Girls, and it's happening this weekend. Here to tell us more about it, we have Rene Bowditch, co-founder of Here for the Girls, and Alexis Swann, Peninsula and Williamsburg president of TowneBank. Ladies, thank you for being here.
Thank you for inviting us, Ashley.
So excited, first of all, to see you, Rene. We go way back, by the way. But let's talk about Here for the Girls. We're really excited to be working with you all to share some stories of the incredible women that are a part of this organization. You'll see one of those stories coming up in our next half hour. But for those that aren't familiar, what is Here for the Girls?
It is a 17-year-old nonprofit that Mary Beth Gibson and I co-founded to support young women with breast cancer. We were young when we were diagnosed and realized there were no resources for young women. And young women's issues with breast cancer are very, very different than more mature women. Yeah. They're young, they have young children, they probably are starting their careers or have full-time jobs, and their cancers are just different. So we started this little support group, and then we realized that the community, the women in the community needed to know more about advocating for their own breast health and what to do. So we became more educators and supporters and providing support. So it's both.
I love that, and I love that you mentioned the community aspect because that's so big when it comes to Here for the Girls, right? So talk about the value of these community partnerships and connections that you all make.
So we know we live on that value.
Yeah.
So our partnerships are more relationships. There's that adage of it takes a village to raise a child. Well, it takes a village to raise a nonprofit and to keep it going. And it's more than just donations. Of course, that's hugely important, and we have to raise all the funds ourselves. But it's the relationships, it's the sharing of resources, it's the collaboration, it's the team spirit. We have a doctor on our board who says, at the end of the day, it's all about working together as a team. And it is.
It really is. You know, and as part of that team is TowneBank for sure, especially when we're talking about this event coming up, and we'll get to that in just a moment. But I do want to ask you, Alexis, from the perspective of TowneBank, what are some of the pillars in the community that you all focus on, and how does Here for the Girls fit into that?
Well, exactly what she said, relationships. TowneBank is all about relationships. You know, our motto is serving others and enriching lives, and that's all done by relationships. And TowneBank is a community partner. I call it a community treasure because we not only do the work of banking and finding financial solutions, but we're helping communities with their needs, such as nonprofits such as this. We've given back over $100 million in our short time of existence since 1999, and we are, you know, invested in many ways, not just with money, with time, and with our treasure. So it's an important pillar that's right in line with what Here for the Girls does for the community as well. And you all are coming together this weekend for, you know, this incredible run. Can you tell us a little bit about the run, what people can expect?
Yes, it's this Saturday in Newtown in Williamsburg. It is, you can wear your pink, you can bring your dog, it's a 5K, which you don't have to run. I'm going to be walking it.
Okay.
And what's really great is there's also going to be a prevention and screening village. And that's an example of TowneBank. They're our presenting sponsor. Okay. And this prevention and screening village, that we're going to have the mammogram, mobile mammogram unit from Centera. We're going to be giving out flu shots. There's going to be prostate screening. So it's giving back to the community all of these prevention measures. This weekend, Saturday, this is the 7th. It'll be the 7th, right? And we'd love to have as many people as possible come out. You can join by going on hereforthegirls.org/run.
/run, okay. Perfect.
And I think you might have something to put up about that. But could I say something real quick about TowneBank? Because the fact that they are presenting sponsor for this and providing this prevention village as well as this great way to do exercise and support our cause, it just shows what Alexis just said, the community spirit of TowneBank. And they have supported us for a number of years, and we are beyond grateful. And that kind of partnership is what we look for with other businesses and our health systems. We partner with because it's collaboration, sharing of resources. We don't want to duplicate any services. And it is a team effort, and we're so grateful to the other businesses and health systems that partner with us. And are part of our family. They're here for the girls' family.
Yeah, and
We're not just going to be there for our financial donation. We have teams running.
Oh,
we have
nice.
volunteers there. So we're looking forward to a great day on Saturday.
It's going to be a great day. And then the education aspect there is just so important. So you can go out there and learn so much more about how to take care of yourself and the loved ones that you have, those surrounding you. Thank you so much, ladies, for being here.
Thank you for having us.
Yes. And remember,
If you
always
want to bring your babies and your dogs,
oh, my
you
goodness.
can on Saturday.
Everybody out there having a good time, making sure we're good to go.
Absolutely.
Thank y'all so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We'll be right
Appreciate it.
back.